Hey everyone, it's Nguyen, and welcome back to Homeless in America. Alright, guys, so today we are in the city of Sacramento, California, to show you guys more of the homeless people, homeless situation here in the city. And before we take you guys around, if you guys can support this channel by sharing this channel and subscribing to this channel, make sure to tap in the notification bell so whenever we upload any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Alright guys, so we are back in the city of Sacramento, California, and it is the capital city of the state of California. And if you guys don't know where Sacramento is, it is about 2 hours away from San Jose and about 6 hours away from the Los Angeles area, and also about 3 hours away from Fresno. Alright guys, so today we're actually back here on this famous road. It is called the Roseville Road here in Sacramento, and this road is really long, okay guys, and we've been to this road many times, but we do have a couple viewers out there still requesting us to go to Roseville Road, and so we're back here again guys to give you guys some update here in the city. Alright guys, as you guys can see, it is raining right now. Okay, so there is another storm here in Sacramento, and it's been raining on and off. And basically it's been raining for the past 3 months, guys. If you guys already know, there was a big storm in January, and then there was another one a couple weeks ago, and then there comes another one, and it just started raining and raining. It's been raining all over California, stop, and then it keeps raining again. But we're here today, guys. We're going to show you guys some updates here. As you guys can see, it is flooded. And like we always say, guys, homeless people don't just live near the freeways, under the bridges, in the creeks or whatnot. They're everywhere. All right, guys, and once again, like mentioned in all of our videos, if you guys want us to go to a certain spot, a certain area, go ahead and leave it in the comment section, a corner, or better yet, an address. And then once we do get a chance, guys, we will try our best to stop by. And we do have a lot of requests out there, guys. We're just trying our best to go to each and every one of the requests. It's going to take some time, okay? We will be going to a lot of new areas shortly, very soon, so be patient, guys. But for right now, we're going to be going to some areas that is convenient to where we're at, which is Sacramento, Bay Area, and then we might be going to down to the the south area, which is the Los Angeles area later, and possibly to another state soon. Okay, we just don't have the time yet and the funds yet, so please be patient out there, guys. And then we will have more interview as well, okay, so please wait for them. So as you guys can see, Roseville Road is unbelievable. All right, guys, so right now we would like to take the time to thank everybody out there for all your help and support, for always following our channel, always watching our videos. Really appreciate you all. And if you guys are brand new in our channel, welcome. If you guys like our content, please share with all your friends and family. And most importantly, guys, if you guys could subscribe. It doesn't cost you a penny to subscribe, but it helps out the channel greatly, and we really appreciate you all. And if you guys are brand new in our channel and don't know what our channel is about, it is about awareness on homelessness. Because if we don't see it out there, guys, we probably won't believe it. Alright, guys, so if you guys are watching this video and if you guys are out of the area where we're at, or out of state, or even out of the country, let us know how the homeless situation is in your area, okay? So that way everybody knows what's going on in America, or even what's going on in the world, alright? But as of right now, we are focusing mostly in California, so we're not sure how the homeless situation is in other states and other countries. So if you guys could chime in and let everybody knows what's going on. Alright guys, so we're going to be driving back and forth on Roseville Road a few times here, and then toward the end of the video we're going to do some more close-up shots of the area. So as you guys can see, just Roseville Road alone in Sacramento, and we're talking about just one city here, and it is out of control. Alright guys, so what do you guys think? Is the homeless situation gonna be better, or is it gonna be even worse? Alright guys, so it's a long video today on Roseville Road, more in detail, more in depth of this area during the storm, the rain and all that, as you guys can see. And before we end the video here, once again, if you guys want us to go to a certain spot, a certain area, go ahead and leave it in a comment section, a corner, or better yet, an address. And then once we do get a chance, guys, we will try our best to stop by. And then once again, guys, we want to clarify everything out there with everybody, that we're not out here to make fun of any homeless people or disrespect any homeless people. We are just out here to share awareness, because if we don't see it out there, guys, we probably won't believe it. All right guys, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and most importantly, if you guys can help grow this channel by subscribing to this channel, and also tapping the notification bell, so whenever we upload any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, stay safe out there guys. Bye bye.